In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install rDownload on iPhone. This process will involve using the Shortcuts app as rDownload is not available directly from the App Store. Let's get started with the first step. Open Safari on your iPhone. This is the web browser that comes pre-installed on all iPhones. It allows you to navigate to websites and download content. You will see the familiar Safari icon on your home screen, which looks like a blue compass. Tap on this icon to launch the browser. Once you are in Safari, ensure you have a stable internet connection. This is essential because you will need to visit a specific website to download the Emo download shortcut. Next, visit the official rDownload website. To do this, tap the address bar at the top of Safari. Enter the web address emos.org and hit the Go button on your keyboard. As the website loads, you will see information about emos.rdownload and its features. It is crucial to ensure that you are on the official site to avoid any potential security risks. This step sets the stage for everything else you will do, so take your time and ensure the site is loaded correctly. Once the website is loaded, tap on Download Shortcut. This button will initiate the process of adding the emos.load shortcut to your Shortcuts app. You might notice that the button is clearly labeled, making it easy to find. After tapping it, you will be redirected to the Apple Shortcuts page. This is an important transition as it connects you directly to the functionality you need to install the shortcut. Now you will be redirected to the Apple Shortcuts iCloud page. Here you will find detailed information about the rDownload shortcut. Take a moment to read through the details. This is a good time to ensure that you trust the source of the shortcut. The page will give you an overview of what actions the shortcut will perform. This step is vital for your security, as understanding what permissions you are granting is critical. Next, tap on Setup Shortcut. By doing this, you are beginning the process of integrating the shortcut into your Shortcuts app. A series of setup prompts will appear, guiding you through the necessary configurations. This is a straightforward process, and the prompts will usually ask for simple preferences like your preferred language. Following these prompts carefully is essential for a smooth installation. After you have followed the setup prompts, tap on Add Shortcut. This action will finalize the addition of the rDownload shortcut to your Shortcuts app. You might see a confirmation message that indicates the shortcut has been successfully added. This is reassuring as it confirms that you are one step closer to utilizing rDownload on your iPhone. Finally, open the Shortcuts app to verify that rDownload has been added. Look for the app icon on your home screen, which resembles a colorful set of interlocking circles. Once inside the app, navigate through your list of shortcuts. You should see rDownload listed among your shortcuts. This completion step is important because it confirms that everything has been set up correctly and that you are ready to start using rDownload. Note that rDownload is a third-party shortcut and not an Apple product. Before granting any permissions, take a moment to review the shortcut's actions. Only install it if you trust the source. This ensures that your device remains secure and that you have control over what is being accessed. Following these steps carefully will lead to a successful installation, and you can begin using rDownload right away.